All right, so we talked about some kind of the sexuality of sociology and talking about how wages can be disproportionate. And looking back on that, let's look back at some of the crazy laws that are still on the books today to show that maybe there is a sexist past. And everyone's always heard about the crazy law about, oh, you can't tie a giraffe to a phone pole. Ha, ha, ha. Everyone knows that one. But let's talk about some that exist that you might not know about. Well, first off, this is a picture of the state of Maryland. So if you looked at this and were like, oh, that's Italy, it's totally Italy. It's not Italy, it's Maryland. In Maryland, it is illegal for a woman to go through her husband's pockets. So that means, hey, you're digging for some gum, or maybe you left your car keys in there. You better have him do it, or else you're going to jail. Here's the next state. And in case you're trying to figure out if that's like some sort of upside down Illinois or whatever that is, that's Vermont, the place where you get all of your syrup. In Vermont, a woman must obtain written permission from her husband to wear false teeth. For you ladies out there that have grills or like to rock gold fronts, you're going to need written permission. All right, next up we have this state. And in case you're like, oh, that's an island. I bet it's like Somalia or something. Okay, first off, Somalia is not an island. Second of all, that's not an island. That is the wonderful state of Michigan. In Michigan, a woman must have permission from her husband to get a haircut. Yep, that's on the books. So if you want to get a haircut, ladies, you better have a permission slip from your husband. Otherwise, it ain't happening. All right, next up, and before you ask, no, that's not the background for the Hardee's logo. That is New Mexico. In New Mexico, it is illegal for women to appear unshaven in public. Yeah, so shave it or go to jail. All right, this last one I saved because I think it's pretty funny. How many of you guys know where Tucson is? And before you think, oh, ha, ha, Tucson, like two daughters? No. Tucson is in Arizona. All right, it's actually a pretty popular town. In Tucson, it is illegal for women to wear pants. Now you're thinking, like, wait a minute, are you talking about, like, they can't wear ugly mom pants? Is that what you mean? Because I'm okay with that law, actually. No, I mean pants, like pants. Good pants, bad pants, red pants, your pants. You can't wear pants in Tucson, ladies. Now, some of you might be thinking something like, yeah, hi there. When are we going to need this? What is the point? Well, the point is that maybe the fact that we have inequalities isn't so much based on the fact that women aren't making right decisions or even facts that happen today. Maybe there's things in the past that are so deep rooted that women are starting behind the eight ball in the job market to start with. It's something to think about. Anyway, let's get started because we have a lot of stuff to talk about today and I'm ready.